for charging the water and the length of time that the water will retain the structure, it's fairly indefinite in that we haven't had any indication that it reduces over time or lessens in degree over time. And actually, this is supported strongly from theoretical considerations in that part of what this technology is doing, this resonance-based technology, is structuring the space-time field. So that's why Adam, Nassim, others will call this a gravitational lens or a gravitational laser. Is because of what it's doing to the space-time geometry, namely, generating this kind of extremely stable double toroidal flow of the space-time structure, which is self-reinforcing, and because of that stability and that self-reinforcement, the self-reinforcing dynamic, it doesn't easily, at least, mitigate over time. So we're using the harmonic flux resonator, engineered and built by Nassim, to induce. It establishes that field, and believe me, you can feel it. It is very strong around the resonator, and so it induces that in the crystals. They almost become like little fractal resonators of the larger resonator, and then other materials with this kind of unique molecular structure and molecular configuration, like water, responds to that and begins to establish that same kind of self-reinforcing dynamic that's very stable, that should not mitigate over time. And that just goes back to the physics of, so why is everything spinning? And it keeps spinning, and it's been spinning since the beginning, and it's not showing any signs of stopping that spin. It's that space-time geometry, that double torus flow, that 64 tetrahedron grid. It's a self-reinforcing, stable structure